You're probably familiar with the term lifespan, the number of years that you live. But have you heard the term health span, the numbers of years you live in good health? So what we want to do is we want to increase the health span, make it equal to the lifespan. And so we're not spending those last 10, 20 years of our lives in difficulty, in chronic pain, in chronic illness, and in fact live with as most vibrant energy and vitality as we can. Now, I'm sure we all want this, and it will be here before we know it. And so let's take time right now to take care of the body and the mind, so when we move forward, we are doing so with high energy and healthy bodies and healthy minds. This practice is working primarily along the spine for many, many reasons. We can go into that deeper in the blogs and in the chats and in the courses. But this short practice is just designed to get us moving and help promote longevity and health span. Let's go together. My name's Carrie from the Frog Project, and I'm excited to guide you through this short practice for the spine, for vitality, longevity. Let's go. We're going to start on hands and knees. So take your time here to come onto all fours, and straight away we're getting into that spine. So drop your belly here, press it into your hands, open your chest, look up. Exhale, take a round through your spine, and here we go. A few more times, and if you haven't moved much today or this week, or indeed this year, this might be a little bit creaky. But take your time. It doesn't matter how much you move, it matters that you're moving. And waking up all of your vertebrae here, breathing in, lift. Breathing out, nice and easy, and we'll do one more. Well done. All the way out. Good. Tuck your toes. Crawl your hands forward and lower yourself down onto your tummy. As you breathe in, press into your hands. Open your chest. As you breathe out, all the way back down to the floor. We'll do this 2 more times. Press down, lift up. All the way back down here, waking up the back, waking up the spine, up you go. All the way back down. And if you want, you can take a little break here. Elbows wide, head on the hands, breathing into the back. Maybe giving your hips just a little wiggle side to side. And if that was a lot, maybe just stay here for another 2 breaths. If you want to go one more for the spine, this one's a bit stronger. Bring the hands behind you, interlock the fingers. Breathe in, squeeze your shoulder blades, lift your chest, maybe lift your feet. And exhale slowly, slowly onto the floor. Well done. Press down into your hands, roll your hips back towards your heels. Rest in your child's pose. Maybe take a couple of slightly longer exhalations here. And slowly roll onto hands and knees. Tuck your toes. Draw your whole self up. Take a big breath, lift through both of your arms. And as you exhale, turn your left little finger, swim it down towards your left heel. Maybe just stay here. Gaze on the floor. Or if it feels okay, start to twist your chest, your gaze, your belly open. Lean back and exhale gently back to the center. Well done. Bring your right fingertips down to your right heel, maybe looking towards the floor, or start to twist everything open. Roll back to the center. Well done. Bring your hips down to your heels. Take a breath. And then roll onto your bottom. Bring your feet out in front of you. So we're working on the back of the body. Now we're working on the front of the body. Maybe lift the calves. If that's feeling way too much, crawl the hands back. Perhaps lift the foot of one foot, maybe the foot of the other leg, and perhaps we stay. If you do feel good, you can bring the arms out or maybe behind the thighs. Waking up the front of the body now, the core. You can stay here, or if you want to go easy, down to the floor, and from your middle, bring yourself back. 2 more, easy down, rolling back. 1 more, maybe just try, see what you have. Bring it back to the center, give yourself a squeeze. Well done. Crawl your feet back to the floor. Everything onto the ground now. Take your time. Hands land beside you, feet hip distance apart. Breathe in, press into the feet, lift the hips, lift the belly, float the arms all the way up and back. Slowly hips down, hands back down beside you. 2 more times, breathe in, peel open. All the way back down. And 1 more time here, breathe in, lift. Hold for a breath. And maybe let your arms come back down beside you. Perhaps catch your fingers beneath you. Maybe roll your shoulders one under the other, under your body. Press down through the feet. Lift your hips, lift your belly higher. And exhale all the way to the floor. Well done. Relax your legs one at a time. Arms down beside you. And take a couple of long breaths here. So that's a series of postures that really help target the spine and the deep inner core. All of these parts of you might be feeling pretty stiff, might be feeling pretty creaky. But practice this several times a week, and you'll start to feel stronger and more mobile from the inside out, helping the spine to release all of the good hormones, to reduce inflammation, to promote cellular repair, and to help us live happily, healthily, for longer. If you have time today, stay longer here in your relaxation. But if you feel like coming back, do so easily, gently. Thank you so much for being here, for taking good care of yourself. And if you'd like to join me and my teachers in our community, we have live classes every day of the week. A wonderful support network all around. So if you feel like doing this more, doing this together, then come check us out. And we'll see you soon.